Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a keto green smoothie. And so getting greens on a keto diet in a smoothie can be a really powerful way to improve liver detoxification, kidney health, help improve your skin, and to help you just function and thrive in life. And so right here I've got Blendtopia. So this makes it super easy. This company right here, they have got in this organic ingredients. It's got cauliflower, cucumbers, spinach, avocados, which gives us the healthy fats. It's got cauliflower puree. It's got coconut oil in there. It's got lemon juice, flaxseed, hemp seed, organic ginger, which is great for digestive health, great for reducing inflammation, MCT oil, and it's flavored with organic monk fruit, an all natural sweetener that doesn't impact your blood sugar. So the actual macros on this, it's got 7 grams of fat. It has got 5 grams of carbs, but 2 of those are fiber. So only 3 grams of net carbs and only 2 grams, there's 2 grams of protein in here. So that's, for me, that's not enough protein, but certainly it's got the healthy fats in there. It's got all these powerful antioxidant rich vegetables. That's why I'm also gonna add in some of my protein powder, good quality bone broth collagen protein, which I'll talk about at the end of this video. Now, that right there may have taken like 15 minutes of processing vegetables if I had to do it on my own. That's why I like the Blendtopia. They make it super easy for me. They give me a wide variety of these veggies. And the cool thing about that is, that's one of the best ways to improve the diversity of your gut microbiome is eat a variety of different types of prebiotic-rich vegetables. So this has got avocados, cauliflower in there. Again, it's got cucumbers. It has got, well, we already said cauliflower. It's got hemp seed, flaxseed, lemon juice in there. So a lot of really good things that are in there. And, again, it's super simple because I'll just pour it right in. It's already frozen. Now I'm gonna pour in my almond coconut milk right here. So this is carrageenan free. You always wanna make sure if you're getting an almond milk or coconut milk or something like that, carrageenan free, because that's an ingredient that can promote inflammation in the body. So I put some of that in there. Now I'm gonna use a scoop of my Dr Jockers bone broth protein, which is flavored with stevia. And this is from grass-fed cows. And then a scoop of my Paleovalley bone broth protein, which is, this one right here is from grass-fed cow hides, like the skin of the cow, and this one right here is from the bones. So I actually get more minerals this way with the bones. So I put that in there. Now for me, I like a little bit more high potency C8 MCT oil, which turns right into ketones in my brain. And so I put just a little bit of that in there, and I'm gonna top it with just a little bit more of this coconut almond milk. And then we're gonna blend it up. So this is my Keto Green Smoothie right here. Tastes great. Rich in antioxidants, polyphenols that support liver health, support gut health, support brain health. So I get my greens right here, antioxidants, and this is loaded with good quality collagen protein. It's got a lot of MCT oil to turn into ketones in my system, low sugar, tastes great. So what a great meal replacement this is. So guys, check it out. Check out Blendtopia, and stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about bone broth collagen protein. Well, hey there, I hope you enjoyed that smoothie video. And as you saw, I used bone broth protein. Why is that? Because of the collagen that's in there. I really think this is a functional food. Collagen is something that all of us need. In fact, it's our structural protein. It's like glue in the different structures of our body. It makes up most of our skin. 70% of our skin is collagen. Our joints, all of our ligaments, tendons, bones, our nails, different things like that. All collagen is so critical there. Again, it's like glue that holds everything together. The problem is in our diet today, we are not consuming enough collagen. And as we age, our natural collagen production significantly reduces, and this can cause things like fine lines and wrinkles, cellulite, dark circles under our eyes, joint pain, gut issues, weakened nails, even hair loss. And so really need to support our collagen production. And the way that we do that is really getting the right amino acids, and consuming bone broth, collagen proteins is a great way to do that. And so when we consume that, we're getting these key amino acids like glycine, hydroxyproline, and proline, which have been shown to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reduce cellulite, help boost our metabolism, help support gut health, reducing inflammation in our body, reducing joint pain, and a lot of other issues. And so you can certainly make your own bone broth. I'm a huge fan of that. The problem is you got to order bones, maybe from your local farmer or from, your grocery store. You got to get the bones, and then you got to boil them up, and you really should be boiling them for a good period of time. If you're using chicken bones, you want to boil those for, roughly 12 to 18 hours. If you're using beef bones, you want to boil them for at least 24 hours to extract as much of the minerals and as much of the collagen protein as possible. And most people are just not going to take time to do that on a regular basis. And this is why I'm a huge fan of using bone broth or collagen protein, and putting it in smoothies like you just saw. So my favorite types are the Paleovalley bone broth protein right here. This is awesome stuff. 15 grams of collagen protein per serving, 3.4 grams of glycine. And glycine, again, is key for liver detoxification, great for your skin, your joints, your hair, your nails, all of those different things. And glycine also helps improve sleep quality in fact, the study showed that 3 grams of glycine, a dose of 3 grams of glycine, was shown to actually reduce body temperature and increase serotonin production, which therefore serotonin is the precursor to melatonin. And serotonin also helps us feel good. And it produces melatonin, which is your sleep hormone, and helps induce really good sleep without promoting daytime drowsiness. So you can take glycine or bone broth protein, collagen protein during the day and not get the daytime drowsiness, and will help support good sleep at night. So bone broth protein, grass-fed, Paleovalley, 100% grass-fed. They screen out for 40 different heavy metals and toxins to make sure they're not in there. It's non-GMO, right? It's all the best stuff. Paleovalley, we always know we're gonna get the best stuff from them. Guys, I got a coupon code below this video, but basically you just go to paleovalley.com/drjockers. Use the coupon code JOCKERS at checkout for your order. You'll save 15%. So that is Paleovalley. And then also I have my Dr. Jockers bone broth protein as well. This uses a proprietary process to really extract the collagen and make it more absorbable with the collagen peptides, very absorbable. And it's also got stevia to sweeten it up. So we've got vanilla and we've got chocolate. So if you're looking for like a really good sweetening, for your protein shake, this is great. Tastes good, really good for supporting collagen production. So you can use that as well. Use the coupon code JOCKERS at checkout to save 10% off on your orders at my website. So whether you choose to use these ones or not, the big thing I'd recommend is get more bone broth or collagen protein in your diet. If all you're eating is muscle meats and plant-based proteins, you're not getting enough glycine, hydroxyproline, and proline, and that can lead to cellulite formation. It can lead to fine lines and wrinkles. It can lead to damaged skin, joint pain, more inflammation in your body, and poor health. And so definitely add the collagen, get the bone broth protein, and start putting that into your smoothies. And remember to like this video, share it with somebody that you care about, and of course subscribe and hit the bell button. That way you get notified whenever I put up a new video. Thanks so much for doing that, and be blessed.